Electrode steam technology is a very popular choice when a building owner wants to maintain humidity. These electrode steam humidifiers from Nortech are the easiest to operate and maintain. This is why they are the #1 commercial humidifier in the world. Electrode steam is a technology that was perfected by Nortech over 40 years ago. The benefits are clear. Number 1, what powers the humidifier, electricity, is everywhere. Number 2, with the replaceable cylinder, it's incredibly easy to maintain. And number 3, the price point offers our customers reliable steam output at a reasonable cost. With Nortech electrode cylinders, the output of the cylinder is 100% up until it needs replacement. There is no gradual decrease of performance over the cylinder's life. And what's more, when the cylinder is replaced, the humidifier is brought back to a like-new condition. When the cylinder is approaching end of life, the humidifier will flag a warning approximately 3 days prior to actual end of life. Once the cylinder is completely spent, the unit will go into a fault state and will not operate. To know the type of cylinder, check the product code, which is a 3-digit number located on the cylinder itself. Alternatively, you can ask the Nortech sales agent in your region. They'll be able to match up the correct cylinder with your particular humidifier. When it's time to change the cylinder, the unit must be taken out of service. The cylinder is drained using the menu interface, and the supply water should be turned off. The humidifier is then turned off, and the mains power disconnected. To expose the inside of the humidifier, open the cabinet door. Remove the cylinder plugs and the cylinder strap. Loosen and unseat the steam connection and remove the cylinder. It can be discarded as there are no harmful chemicals or materials. Every time a new cylinder is ordered, an O-ring gasket is also provided. This is for the drain valve, which should also be disassembled and cleaned at this point. The new cylinder is installed in the reverse order of how it was removed. The steam line is reattached. Make sure to torque the fastener to a maximum of 12 inch-pounds for cylinders with steam outlet diameters of 7/8 of an inch, and 16 inch-pounds for cylinders with steam outlets of 1 3/4 inch diameter. Please note, over-tightening could damage the steam outlet of the cylinder. Reconnect the cylinder plugs, matching up the color of the labels near the cylinder pins to either the color of the cylinder plug wires or, for older humidifiers, to the color band on the cylinder plug itself. Note the special shrouded pin, which is reserved for the high water sensor. This should always be connected to the plug with the bright orange wire. Now the unit is ready to be recommissioned. The mains power connection should be re-established, as well as the water supply, before the unit is turned on. Use the menu screen to let the humidifier know that the cylinder has been replaced. Otherwise, the cylinder spent fault will appear in 72 hours. At this point, the humidifier will automatically bring itself back up to steam production, assuming there is a demand for steam. Depending on the size of the cylinder, this should take approximately 10 to 25 minutes to refill the cylinder and to bring the water to a boil. If there is no humidification request, the unit will remain in standby mode, but either way, you can note that the humidifier will not be in a fault state anymore. Now the humidifier has been brought back to a like-new condition. This is why it's quite common to see electrode steam humidifiers still in operation 10, 20, even 30 years after it was first turned on. The new cylinder should last anywhere from 500 to 2,000 operating hours, but this will vary according to the hardness and the quality of the water supplying the humidifier. Electrode steam technology is a tried and true method that ensures your customers' humidification levels are where they need to be. Electrode steam humidifiers are the easiest to operate and maintain. If you have any questions about this video, this product, or anything else related to humidification, please don't hesitate to contact us at humidity.com or contact your local Nortech agent.